Got CXX and the Norfolk Southern linked up together. Check out that lash up. I think those some GPs. Guy just came out the cab. He got a yard back there. I'm over here at the grand section of the Northeast Corridor and the Lehigh Valley line. That CXX and Norfolk Southern is on the Lehigh Valley line. And also that switch track right there. That's the switch track that switches off of the Northeast Corridor to the Raritan line, which connects on to Lehigh Valley line. Then that rail right there, it switches again to make two more switches. So the other track could go on to the Lehigh Valley line. So it's two rails right here. That's serious. That's serious. But anyhow, we got a Norfolk Southern, man, and the CXX lash up over there, man, up on the grade over there. Okay? It's humming over there.